I'm in the city of Akure to construct a new BSF facility for a client. This facility is 60 feet long and 20 feet wide. Now, within this facility, we're building bioponds, and the output that we expect to get every month is about 4 tons. This is a very good way to start in 2025. And if you've not started your own BSF facility, you need to watch this video, get ideas on how to construct the bioponds that are very, very cheap. I'm also going to share ideas on how to have a very healthy insectarium that can give you over 500 grams of eggs every single week. If you've not subscribed, you have to subscribe so you can see when we post new information on the BSS space. The information are changing very rapidly. You have to be up to date with the information so you can make informed decision on how to farm this amazing insect that God gave to mankind and make the most out of this year. So we have done the work for today. So we're able to put up the structure around the BSF facility, and by tomorrow we're going to be putting the roof, and then we're going to be flooring the entire place we're going to be using for our larvarium, and we're also going to be putting in some racks that will hold more of the BSF larvae. So we have done a whole lot. I'll show you what we've done. For the insectarium, this is how far we've gotten. So our insectarium is 10 by 10 square, and then we have floored the place. So by tomorrow we'll be putting in more of the materials that will make it to be a perfect insectarium. My goal with this little space is to get up to, let's say, 1 kilograms of BSF larvae in 1 month. It's a lot of ambition, but I know it's possible. By the time I'm done adding a lot of racks, we'll have just about enough space to have the production that we're looking forward to. I don't want to say too much, just observe with your eyes and see what we've done. If you want us to come help you set up this kind of facility, our numbers are on the screen and you can just reach us. These are some of the drums that we got for the storage of our waste material. In this location in Akure, they have very rich materials that the larvae are going to love absolutely. So I'll update you as the project continues. Just keep watching. If you've not subscribed, this is the right time to hit the subscribe button. We've gotten over 400 to 500 new subscribers in the last month, and we want to hit 4,000 subscribers. You hitting the subscribe button will help us achieve that goal. It's been 5 days of hard work here in the city of Akure, trying to put up this structure together. What I'm holding in my hands is the eggs. We have used all the innovative ways to ensure that we collect a lot of eggs. If you look at the far end over there, we have our insectarium. That insectarium, we are hoping, if everything is done properly, we should be able to get grams of BSF eggs every single month. Right now, if you look closely, you'll see that we're currently constructing or forming what we use as the biopond. Now, before now, we were using the whole blocks for biopond, but you know, the space of the black butterfly larvae, the information are improving every single day, and you have to be up to date with the information. So currently, we're using just pieces of blocks with mortar to form a 4 inches biopond. That way we can save costs, save space, and of course utilize the most of what we have here. So we use hollow block because that's what is readily available in this uh, environment. And the hollow blocks, we're trying to see that they are well covered up with sand or broken blocks, then well sealed. Because if we don't do that, we're going to have the infestation of termites. That's one of the pests that affects the black cedar fly larvae. I'll keep you updated as we make more progress with this project. Is being this is what we have done so far. See, currently all the bioponds are fully ready. Everywhere is well tidied up. Okay, and currently right now we're doing the biosecurity. You know, one of the pests that affect the BSF larvae is ants. The moment ants start sensing that, oh, there are larvae here, they will look for ways to get in. So we've tried the best we can to ensure that every corner is sealed up properly. Every single corner is properly sealed up. And even around, we have put up our biosecurity as well. So now when you talk about the biosecurity, this is what it's funny, but then this is what it looks like. We are doing it all around the building. We're going to add oil. I don't know how long this is going to last. We're going to add oil. It goes around the entire building, okay, so that ants, they don't infiltrate the facility. Then this is our insectarium. We're going to stock a lot of pre-pupas in this place. With that pre-pupa we're going to get, a lot of eggs are going to come out of here. That will be enough to fill the biopond. This biopond, you'll notice that we have about 3 inches of depth. Okay, usually before now we're using blocks, right? But that block is a waste of materials, and in order for us to have even spaces on the eggs, right? So first off, we have our substrate, our attractant here. Once we put our attractant here, right, we're going to have a mesh on top of it so that the flies don't go directly to it. So then we're going to cover it like this with a basket. Then we're going to put this tray on top. With this tray on top, we'll have cotton wool spread all around. Don't forget, with water mixed with glucose. Now, the water does not have, yes, should not be filling with water. The cotton wool should just be damp, so that when they fly, they perch on top, they will be okay. They will not sink inside, okay? Because they are terrible swimmers. Don't forget that. All right, so starter chicken feed, and just put it, okay, let's say 4. Put it in the 4 corners. Do you know why? Sometimes, because of the weather, they find it difficult to find the eggs and lay eggs there. That's why some people will say their flies are not laying. Okay, so we'll just put these ones at the corners. You can even put up to 6, because here is a bit big, as precautionary measure, so that if they cannot locate the eggs and lay their eggs, they will lay directly on this substrate, right? They lay directly there. By the time you are removing this in 5 days, you'll see that you have a lot of larvae, you know, in there already. Okay, so that's something we'll also do in order for us to have a lot of eggs. Do you understand? So these are 4, right? So we're going to have this. You go and buy more, buy like 2 or 3 more later. Okay, so you just position, buy as much as you can. Position one here. Now, can you go and bring some poopers? Do you have the key? Yes. Okay, just bring one of the bowl. Okay. Yes, for that we're going to use as example. So now this is the pooper we have. We have a whole lot more, but for practical purpose. Now recall that we have our attractant here with a mesh covering it, then our egg is properly ranged, then glucose water or a little sugar and water with the cotton wool. So if you were to spread this, I'll just use a handful as an example. You spread, okay, that you can also spread them. Then there's something we need to do. We need to put nets hanging down so that they will have more place to perch on. We'll have nets hanging everywhere down. We'll bring that now and do that right now. So that's I think most of the things we've covered them. We've covered them. We've had this discussion before. We've covered most of it. If you have watched to this time, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you putting in the time to watch this video. I still have my book here, Black Social Fly Farm 101. If you've not gotten a copy, send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll send you a digital copy. It's for 5,000 naira only. And this is the most you can take. If you've not subscribed or if you've not liked this video, please do so. I would really appreciate that. All right. Bye. Have a great life.